Today is week 15, day 3, making inferences. When we make an inference, we use clues from the passage and our own experience to figure out information that we haven't been told. Imagine seeing a little girl sitting on the sidewalk, holding an empty ice cream cone and looking upset. Next to her is a big dog with ice cream around its mouth. What do you suppose happened? The dog ate the girl's ice cream. How do you know? The girl is holding an empty cone. She is upset and there's ice cream around the dog's mouth. That's an example of making an inference. Even when the text didn't actually say it, we can figure out what happened by reading the words and using our mind to figure out what happened. Stop after each paragraph and ask yourself questions about the information. This is called Marvelous Machines. Not so long ago, robots were machines, seen only in movies. Today, robots are used all around the world. A robot is a special type of machine that can do some of the things a human can do. People invent robots in all shapes and sizes. No matter what they look like, all robots have a computer inside them. All robots can do two things. They can get information and they can move. More and more robots are being invented. Some robots help people do tasks. Robots drill holes, spray paint, and put together cars. Robots help doctors perform operations. Robots drive trains and clean carpets. Robots also go to places that are too dangerous for humans. Robots crawl through live volcanoes. They take samples of gases and examine the rocks. Robots drive deep into the oceans. They inspect strange sea creatures and collect items that have fallen to the ocean floor. Getting to Mars is not yet possible for astronauts, but robots have landed there. They collected rocks and took pictures. Number 1 says, based on the passage, which sentence is true? A, one robot can do all that a person can do. B, not every robot moves. C, every machine with a computer is a robot. D, not all machines are robots. Based on the passage, which sentence is true? Remember, you can look back and check as you need to. Number 2, based on the passage, which conclusion can you make about robots? So this is going to be making an inference. This might not be something that is written down somewhere where we can find it in the article, but if we read the article, we should be able to figure it out. There will be fewer robots in the future. People will invent more kinds of robots. All robots will look like people. People will become robots. What do you think that will happen in the future? Or about robots? Okay, number 3. Which one is true about all robots? They look kind of like people. They are dangerous. They have parts that can move, or they drive trains. Number 4. Because of robots, people A. know more about the world, B. are braver, C. can travel to Mars, or D. can do dangerous things. What question did you ask yourself about the third paragraph?